Hey guys, Sarah here from the Glitter Guy. And today we are going to show our new product that we have, and these are alcohol ink sketch markers. We're going to make a cup with these and have some fun. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already.
Yep.
So I'm going to make a striped tumbler with these. I have never used alcohol ink markers before, so you're going to see it for the first time. So I have mixed up a little bit of epoxy here, and we're going to use the epoxy method to apply an opal glitter to our cup. For the epoxy method, you're going to want to use as little bit of glitter as you possibly can. Your epoxy is basically just going to be a glue. You can apply your epoxy with a brush or your fingers. It's all personal preference. I like using my fingers. I like feeling how thin the epoxy is. I'm just taking any excess epoxy off that I possibly can. Another good way to get your excess epoxy off are silicone brushes. And then we're just going to apply our glitter right on top. The advantages of working with epoxy rather than Mod Podge is you get a lot more work time. Throwing it at the bottom is the best way I've come up with doing the bottom. It just gets a little messy sometimes. So I'm going to let this spin for a little while, and then I'm going to do a second coat of my opal glitter. Today we used cheat code on ours, but any opal should work. You can get all of these supplies at theglitterguy.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up.